guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. Something I've wanted to film for a while was just a quick get ready with me. I spend a lot of my day, typically throughout the week, on either GoToMeeting videos or Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and I just needed a really quick way to get ready without doing a full face of makeup every single day, because I'm usually wearing business casual on top and yoga pants or leggings on the bottom. So this is just a really quick video, gives you guys some ideas of products you could use that give you the makeup but no makeup type of look. This is not to say that I don't look like I'm not wearing makeup, obviously, but I don't have eyeshadow on, I didn't contour, I'm not wearing blush, highlighter, all that kind of stuff. This is just a really simple routine. So if you guys want a really quick way to get ready in the morning, then this video is for you, so keep watching. Well, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just something new I was gonna try. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.